what's your best bet for getting to Legend League? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Let me know if you can see me or hear me. I started the stream. I started the stream at 9. Okay, so I've been streaming to nobody for 5 minutes. As a bunch of other C-class cars. College is going pretty well so far. I'm studying mathematics. Hours. See how we can do here. What just? Wait. What just? Oh no. So, you know why I quit? It did that thing again where my key, not my key, but like car wouldn't stop going to the right. Bye bye. A chunky keyboard where wait. What? This way for me. I'm trying to think which, you know, going to the right. Surprised I didn't wreck there. Okay, this one not going so great for me. 3 out of 5. Keyboard is too loud. I'm sorry, I can't really help that. So, we have this burst of spleen.